So the topic for this question is angles in parallel lines. So it says ABCD is a parallelogram. So this right here is a parallelogram. It says EDC is a straight line. EDC is a straight line. And F is the point on AD. So that BFE is a straight line, okay? Then it says angle EFD is 35, so these are already labeled on the diagram. And then it says we need to show that the angle ABF, so ABF, this angle right here, is equal to 70 degrees, and we need to give a reason for each stage of our working. That's very important. You won't get full marks otherwise. Okay, so what I'm going to start off by doing is labeling the angle we're after, X. And if you notice, this is in a triangle, so later down the line, we're probably going to have to use 180 degrees inside the triangle. So the first thing I've realized is that this angle and this angle are vertically opposite. And a fact that you should know is that vertically opposite angles are equal. So straight off the bat, I can say that this angle right here is 35 degrees, but that's not enough to get the mark. So I have to go down here, and what's the angle called, by the way? It's called AFB. So let me scroll down. Angle AFB, and the notation I use is putting an arrow where the angle is, and we said that this is equal to 35 degrees, and then the reason for that is because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so perfect. We've got one angle inside this triangle. Now we need to work out the second angle so we can work out this third angle. The way we're going to do that is that we know that this is a parallelogram, and we know opposite angles on parallelograms are equal. So this angle is clearly equal to this angle right here. So we can label that again. This is equal to 75 degrees. And like I said before, that is not enough to get the full mark. So what we have to do is say why it is. And the reason for that is because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So that angle is BAF. Let's write our result. So like I said, angle BAF, put the arrow where the angle is equal to 75 degrees, and then let me give the reason. And finally, we can work out the angle we want, which is angle X, by saying angles in a triangle add up to 180. So to work out X, we're going to do 180 minus 75 minus 35. So let's show that down here where our working is. So the angle that we're after is angle ABF rather. So angle ABF, put the arrow where the angle is equal to 180 minus 75 minus 35. Is it minus 35? Yes, minus 35. And work that out however you want. That equals 70 degrees. And of course, the reason for that is because angles in a triangle add up to 180. And that is the end of the question. We showed exactly what they wanted, which is to show that ABF is equal to 70, and we did that while also giving reasons for each stage of our working. So it's safe to say we got all 4 marks.